guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. But in today's video, I want to go ahead and show you guys my top 5 essentials for braces. When I got my braces, I didn't know it was going to be super time consuming to clean my braces. So I went out and I purchased a lot of different things for braces to make that whole process faster and easier for me. So I've decided to go ahead and show you guys what are the top 5 products that I enjoy using and make the process a lot easier for me. So if you're interested in these type of videos, give it a big thumbs up and let's jump into the video. Let's go ahead and jump into the very first product. Now just keep in mind, this is only a 5 essential video. This does not mean that these are the only things that I use to clean my teeth. This does not mean that I don't switch off different things. These are just my top 5. I'll probably do a part 2 to this video if you guys enjoy this one. But the first thing has to be the 3D white toothpaste. I've been using this toothpaste prior to getting my braces, so I just continued using the same one. I really like this toothpaste, definitely recommend. Costco has the best bundles for these. You can buy them in a big pack, but this is a toothpaste that I use and I really like it. It is a whitening toothpaste. I know people said not to use this when you had braces, but honestly, everything I've seen, people continue using the same toothpaste they were using before getting braces. So with me, this hasn't been a problem. I really hope, and I'm pretty sure I've seen people when they remove their braces, they don't have any stains and they've used whitening toothpaste. They just continue doing the same thing before braces while they were on braces. So I recommend the 3D white toothpaste from Crest. So the next item has to be my toothbrush. I kept the box, but this is the toothbrush. I think I should have started with this, but anyway, I'll show you guys this after the toothpaste. My toothbrush, when I first got my braces, I just ended up repurchasing something that I was already using before braces. Now this one's super good because the one I had before, I would get them in the you know how on top it says like it's either gonna be soft, it's gonna be medium or hard. I would always get medium, and the bristles were very hard. Especially with braces, you have to go ahead and brush on top, through the bottom, and on the side. So with those type of bristles, it was really hard to get in there. Then I found these. These are from Colgate, and they are gum like brushes. They help your gum. It's 300% better for your gum health, which was really good. This is ultra soft. At the beginning, because I went from a medium to an ultra soft, these felt super soft. Like they felt like they weren't brushing. But the thing with these that are ultra soft, it says here, this has a floss tip, and it's good for braces because it gets really in between everything. I haven't gone back to the other ones since I purchased these. I continue to purchase them. This is a pack of 2, which is really good, and I've only seen Colgate have these, and again, they help with your gums. And the bristles are very tiny. They do recommend that you change your toothbrush every 6 months. So that's why I like to buy the pack of 2. So I can go ahead and switch them often. This is a brand new one. I have a pink one right now. It came in orange and pink. But I definitely recommend these. If you have braces, you will notice big difference. All those regular brushes are very hard for you to get in between the braces. This does the job, and this is how the little packaging looks like. You can find this at Target, you can find this at probably Walmart, CVS, all those places, Rite Aid. Definitely recommend this toothbrush if you have braces. The next thing that I use after brushing, I like to use these little brushes. They are dental cleaners. And this little pack, I found it at Target. I don't know how many came in here. Well, it was 16 of them. I don't remember the price. I think it was less than $3. But these are nice because you can carry them in your bag in case you go somewhere and you want to clean a little bit fast, especially when you eat bread, tortillas, rice, things like that. They get stuck on your teeth and you can't feel it and you can't take it out if you don't brush. So sometimes having these in your purse, you could just go ahead and brush. These are awesome too because you could brush between your teeth. They go in between like if you're flossing in a way. So I like to use these after I brush. so I go in between my teeth. So I'm always purchasing these things. They're awesome. Again, you could go ahead and put them between your teeth. Like, they're really, really thin. Like, this is super, super thin, and the brush, the little bristles that it has here, they definitely help with your braces. It also helps you brush along the rubber bands, which is awesome, and it's super small. And this is mint flavor, so they have like different flavors, but it has a little cap again, so you can throw them in your purse, or you can have them inside your bag if you have to travel, or just at home. Definitely recommend these because they get in between places that sometimes a brush can't, or when you're out and about, you can clean your mouth very, very fast. Okay, so regular dental floss, you have to use these little, I don't know what they are called, and I am gonna take them out. These are like an extender, I would say, or like it helps you floss. And I don't know why the dentist did this. Like, how smart is this? Okay. I have no idea what these are called, but they're like little picks that you put your floss through the hole, and then you put the stick in between your braces, and it helps you floss that way. Now, this comes in handy with regular floss. But when I used to work, one of the guys at work recommended, he had braces, and he was like, you need to use the Oral-B Super Floss. It comes in handy. You can find this at Target as well, and it literally says here it's for braces. This one's pretty cool because I'm gonna take one out, not rip it out. Okay, so this one's pretty cool because you don't need the little adapter. It already comes with a very, very thin connection here. It's very, very thin, so this lets you go inside your braces. You pull it. This right here, the first part of the floss, is extremely soft, and this is to brush between the rubber bands. Pretty much what this can do for you, you know? So this is soft. It feels like cloth, but it doesn't get tangled in your braces. And with this, you can go ahead and clean around your rubber bands, and then on the end of the floss, it's the actual floss itself. So it's pretty cool because you just need the whole strip to floss. You don't need anything else. It makes it super easy. This being so thin and sturdy, it lets you bring it in, and then with this, you can go ahead and clean your rubber bands, and then you floss. I recommend these. These are super, super convenient, especially with braces. Again, the whole point is for you not to have any little adapters, any little things like this that makes the work harder for you. It is already a very long process to clean your teeth with braces, so why not make something easier for us? And this is so good. I love this little creation that whoever made, Oral-B. It's awesome. This was like $3 something, and 50 of them come in here. And then you can throw this in your bag too if you are out and about and floss in the restroom or wherever you want. Now, the last item, if you want to buy anything from here for your braces, definitely let it be this last item. I didn't know what this was before I got braces, and I didn't know I was going to need this when I got braces. But the last item is a water pick. Honestly, I had no idea what this did before I got it. It's been through a lot, so if it looks kind of crusty and old, it's been through a lot. We've had braces for a while now, but I definitely recommend this. It comes with two little adapters here, a blue one and a clear one. This is what squirts the water out at full pressure, and this helps you. Let me go ahead and put the blue one on so you guys can see. So you fill it up with, oh my god, I put in the clear one. Let me put the blue one. You fill this up with water. Now there's a lot of different water picks. There's bigger ones, there's just a lot of different ones. This one ranged from $30 to $40. Honestly, this also helps with gum health, to keep your gums healthy, because honestly, if you have gum disease, it'll start eating your gums, and then it'll start eating your teeth or something like that. That's what the dentist explained. But anyways, your teeth health and your gum health is very important. So with this, you'll fill up the water here all the way to the top, and this will squirt the water out at full pressure, and you have to go ahead and just move it around every single tooth slowly, like from in between your teeth all the way to the top. What I do is I do the front slowly, and then I do the back of my teeth as well, and the back of my teeth on top. It is super time consuming, but this feels so good on your teeth. It does make a mess, so close your mouth. I want to do a morning routine where I use all these products, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably end up doing a whole braces routine for you guys so you guys can see how I use these things. But honestly, this is a game changer. It pulls out every single thing from your teeth. I'm not saying not to floss if you use this, but floss and use this, and it helps remove the plaque from your teeth as well because of the pressure. I'm telling you, the pressure of the water is so good. So I definitely recommend a water pick. These are super good. I'm probably gonna invest in a bigger one once we buy our house, so I can have one that's like just there in my restroom. But I definitely recommend this, especially when you eat meat. I don't know if you guys eat meat, but if I eat anything like red meat, it starts to like get stuck in between my teeth. This, and obviously the floss removes it, but this helps it a lot, which I like it, especially with braces. Anything is so stubborn when it gets stuck. So if anything from this video, go out and get yourself a water pick. It makes everything easier. Definitely recommend these. That's it for this video. These are my top 5 braces essentials. Again, these were only the top 5. I have many more things that I will definitely like to recommend, so stay tuned. There might be a part 2 to this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.